No, 8 Tunisian crochet belt swivel joint. Size 8 classic crochet. You also need scissors, tape measure mark, pin. Let's start by making 2 simple sheet patterns. Each piece is 48 centimeters long, width 54 cm. The size is S per meter. We start with the second stitch in the crochet. We need to stop the needle. Start knitting the first line. We've got the first hook on the crochet. You also need to hook 59 stitches. So insert the hook, hook 1, then leave it on the hook with. This method starts the needle until the end of the stitch. Marginal stitch. Grab the thread and only pass through 1 stitch. Now grab the line, pass it through 2 stitches. Repeat this step until the end. Line is complete. From now on, needle knitting second row. This time, we're going to crochet between the previous line of coils. This is marginal stitching. We don't need to deal with it. Insert the hook between these coils. Hook the thread and leave it on the hook. Repeat this step until the end. Ultimately, you want to crochet a total of 60 lock stitches. Stitches are already on crochet, so we repeat the operation on the first line. The edge needle grabs the thread and passes it through a needle. The rest of the stitches go through 2 stitches. Is complete. Keep knitting until you reach the length you want. I knitted a total of 56 lines of S only 10 lines to mark. Replace Tunisian crochet with classic crochet. The last line 57 is only. You need a hook and slide needle. Chest is real. Insert the hook and insert it between the previous line of coils. I decided to sew the sleeves with a size 6 crochet. Would be easier. I marked the 14th stitch on each side. 32 centimeters is left in the neckline. I turn the cloth over, sew the shoulder with a hidden needle. After sewing the sleeves, we started sewing sleeves. I have reached the other side. This is a straight sleeve, no needle reduction. We're going to start the needle directly from the sweater. We will end the bottom of the sleeve with a row of slip needles, like the bottom of a sweater. I start at the bottom. Line 36 is marked. There are also markings on the other side. I left 18 centimeters as the length of the sleeve. Fold the sweater. It makes it easier for me to knit. Then a total of 40 stitches were made to knit the sleeves. I will follow the method shown in the picture. Insert crochet to pick up the needle. Here's our first shot. We need another 39 stitches. If you want, you can crochet the sleeves separately first, then sew it on. When all the stitches are hooked on the crochet, we repeat the diagram of the main piece. Grab the thread and run it through these stitches. That completes the first line. Started crocheting the next line. total of 46 lines are crocheted. You can try on the sweater later. Evaluate how many lines you need. The last 47 lines are the slider needles mentioned earlier. It's classic crochet. Now I'm going to use a needle. Sew up the bottom of the sleeve and the side of the sweater. I sewed it with mattress sewing. The last step is the neckline. I made a circle of sliders.